Pretty much everybody once in their life has spilled a drink on a keyboard, whether it's at work or at home. If you're at home, you can try this alternative method to trying to salvage your keyboard. It doesn't work every time, however, it's better than having to go out and buy a new one. So I have a LogiTech keyboard here. I'm about ready to open it up to see what's inside and see if I can fix my keyboard. So the first thing you need to do is remove the batteries. Remove any excess liquid out of the keyboard. Get yourself a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the screws from the back of the keyboard. If you can't get the keyboard open after you remove the snaps, sometimes there are hidden screws under the pads at the back of the keyboard. Remove the pads, which will reveal the screw. Take a standard screwdriver and release the snaps from the inside of the keyboard. The keyboard should come apart quite easily. Not all keyboards are built like this. However, most keyboards have an inbuilt water resistance. The side of the keyboard, which has the keys on it, is the part that you'll need to wash. Take the keyboard outside, where you have a hose with a strong nozzle. Spray both sides profusely. Give it a good 1 minute soaking with the hose. Shake all excess liquid out of the keyboard and place it in a warm, sunlit area. It should be dry after a day. However, on this occasion, it took me only 6 hours to get the keyboard to be dried. While you are waiting for the keyboard to dry, you can inspect the other side of the keyboard and clean off any spills that you see. Press all of the electronics and the padding back onto the keyboard. And after a good day of harsh sunlight, go ahead and bring your keyboard keys back inside. Give it a good shake and make sure that any liquid is not going to come out. Place the two parts of the keyboard together and snap them in place. Replace all of the screws to the back of the keyboard, including the ones under the side pads. Now time to test the keyboard. And look at that, it works. You've just saved yourself from buying a brand new keyboard. As mentioned, it is not guaranteed that this will work, as the electronics may have been damaged during the spill. Good luck with your attempt. If you've enjoyed this lesson, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to The Office Expert. See you next time.